Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening the Colab notebook and confirming it is saved in your drive. This avoids broken links later. Next, click the Share button in the top right to open the Permissions dialog. Choose whether to add specific emails or enable link sharing. Make that decision now because it affects access and editing rights. Once done, set role levels: viewer, commenter, or editor. Make sure to think about execution access separately, since runtime access differs from file permissions. Now refine who can do what. Add individual emails to grant precise control, or switch to anyone with link for broader reach. Remember that anyone with link means any holder can access, so limit role accordingly. If you add collaborators, choose editor only if they must run or modify code. Otherwise, pick viewer or commenter. Once collaborators are added, consider adding an expiration date for temporary access and transfer ownership if the notebook must live under another account for continuity. Finish by copying the share link and distributing it to recipients. Paste into email, chat, or a ticket. Before broad distribution, test the link in an incognito window or with a test account so you see exactly what recipients will see. If someone reports access denied, reopen the share dialog, confirm the person's email or link setting, and ensure the notebook's parent drive folder isn't more restrictive. If sync issues persist, resave the notebook and retry. This resolves most access glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.